Surprise! It's me, Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. So, the pilgrimage is finished, but it's day 15. What on earth is going on? Well, my challenge for Movember was not to do the pilgrimage, but to do a ride around Shikoku. Now, the only thing left to do is to go from Temple 88 back to Temple number 1, and then it will be complete. So, are you ready? Bonus feature. Let's hop to it.
Get off the couch. Ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the mighty outdoors.
So that's that. That is the Movember challenge completed. A full loop of the island of Shikoku. More than 1,000 kilometers. No question about that at all. And I'm back where I began. Temple number 1, the Ryozenji. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement over the last 15 days. And thank you for your support of Movember this year. Thanks for joining me in the Mighty Outdoors, and I can't wait to see you next time in the Mighty Outdoors. Hooroo!